Hey guys, I am Aishwarya. Today we learn about unpacking my library and talk about book collection. Come, let's see. First, we see about author of this prose. Unpacking My Library is written by Walter Benjamin. He was a German. He was born on 1892. He was a German Jew philosopher, cultural critic, essayist. He was also a German political theorist. His best known work is The Task of the Translator. Finally, he died in 1940. Now let's see about prose. Walter Benjamin belongs to a group of people who he feels is becoming extinct. He is a true collector, more specifically a book collector. In this prose, Walter Benjamin takes a serious, if not humorous, look at the act of collecting and the relationship between the collector and his or her possessions. Benjamin's decision to focus on the mentality and personality of the collector. For Benjamin, such disorder is the Walter of memories that surge up when he recalls where and when he acquired various books. Benjamin states that there is a spring tide of memories which urges toward any collector as he contemplates his possessions. He further saying, every passion borders on the chaotic, but the collector's passion borders on the chaos of memories. This prose have little ironic that the book or object is not the ultimate pleasure of collecting, but it also incorporates the thrill of acquisitions and the history of the object. One of the most important aspects of the relationship between the collector and his objects is that act of acquisitions. Benjamin takes the majority of the essay describing the various means of acquiring books and retelling stories of some of the books within his library. First one is the most praiseworthy is by writing the book oneself. This concept turns every author into a collector who is unhappy with what is currently available, and while it's an unexpected concept, it has whimsical merit. Second one is free methods of adding books to one's collection, and the most common is by borrowing them and not returning them, which he suggests is a conscious act for the habitual collector. Benjamin was a fervent bibliophile. For him, books and their acquisition assumed quasi-magical properties. Finally, Walter Benjamin recalls cities in which he has acquired books. He lyrically praises the life of the collector as bliss. Thank you guys.